Join us as we dive into the enigmatic world of Titanic conspiracy theories. Today, we explore three intriguing theories that challenge the conventional narrative of the Titanic's tragic fate. First, the mummy's curse theory. Legend has it that an ancient Egyptian artifact, perhaps a mummy or a cursed object, was aboard the Titanic. Could this mysterious artifact truly have cursed the Titanic, sealing its tragic destiny? Next, the Federal Reserve conspiracy theory. Some speculate that prominent opponents of the Federal Reserve Bank were aboard the Titanic, and their untimely demise was no mere coincidence. Was the sinking of the Titanic orchestrated to silence dissent against the powerful banking interests of the time? Lastly, the time travel conspiracy theory. Could time travelers have intervened in the Titanic's fate, attempting to alter the course of history and inadvertently causing catastrophe? While these theories may seem far-fetched, they continue to capture the imagination and spark debate among enthusiasts and skeptics alike. What do you think? Are these theories plausible or simply fanciful tales spun from tragedy?